Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn English from this channel, you will need to watch from the video number 1, and that should be without skipping. Okay, dear students, today I am going to teach you about modifier. What is modifier? The word or phrase which provide extra information is called modifier. For example, okay, I am going to write on the whiteboard. Modifier, M-O-D-I-F-I-E-R, modifier. The word or phrase which provide extra information is called modifier. Modifier is okay. I'm going to give examples. Dear students, the word or phrase which provide extra information is called modifier. For example, if I write, she is a student. She is a student. Okay. If I write this sentence again, she is a good student. Adding something. If I write the sentence again, adding something, a very good student. Dear students, look at the example. She is a student. She is a student. This is a general sentence. Okay. If I write this sentence again, adding something like she is a good student, I have used another word called good, and this is the extra information to the noun student. The word good is giving extra information to the noun student. For this reason, the word good is a modifier. Okay, I have written the same sentence again, adding something. The sentence is, she is a very good student. She is a very good student. Dear students, I have again added another word called very in this sentence. Okay, and the word very is also giving another extra information to the noun student. This is also a modifier. Dear students, these two words, good and very, are giving extra information to the noun student. For this reason, these two words are modifiers here. Okay, if I write another sentence, the girl sitting under the tree is my sister. The girl sitting under the tree is my sister. Dear students, look at the example. If I underline sitting under the tree, if you are asked to say what this is, you can say this is a modifier, because modifier can be only a word, modifier can be a group of words. Here, a group of words sitting under the tree. It is phrase, group of words. So it is a modifier, and this is giving extra information to the noun girl. This is giving extra information to the noun girl. So this is a modifier. Modifier can be only a word, it can be a group of words. This is a group of words. Dear students, modifier is of two kinds. Modifier is of two kinds. One, pre-modifier, pre-modifier. Two, post-modifier. Number one, pre-modifier. Number two, post-modifier. What is pre-modifier? What is pre-modifier? The modifier which sits before a noun is called pre-modifier. The example is this one. She is a good student. This modifier, good. The word good modifier is used before the noun student. Student is a noun, and before this noun a modifier good has been used. Before this noun a modifier good has been used. This modifier is a pre-modifier because this has been used before a noun. Okay, what is post modifier? The modifier which sits after a noun, it is post modifier. The girl sitting under the tree is my sister. Look at the example. Sitting under the tree, this group of words is modifier, and this modifier is set after the noun girl. After the noun girl, so it is post modifier. Sitting under the tree is a group of words, and this is a modifier, and this modifier is set after the noun girl, so it is a post modifier. Dear students, if you would like to know more about modifier, you can watch the next videos one by one. Dear students, I have already finished teaching about modifier. Okay, it is so simple, easy and lucid. If you try heart and soul, you'll be able to learn it someday. Okay, for more videos and latest news, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.